Hello viewers, today we are going to see how to update existing file, how to copy existing file, how to merge to existing file. We have already created test.txt file last time, so now we will update that file. First of all, let's open that file. Type command cat space test.txt. As you can see, we previously typed message as hello, how are you? Good morning. Now if we want to write more on that file, then we have to follow this command. Syntax: cat greater than symbol and then file name. Here we have to type command cat greater than symbol test.txt. Now as you can see, our cursor is gone in next line. Now we can type any message. Here I will only add one new line, you can add multiple line. Here I will write good night. And then press Ctrl key plus D. Now our file is saved. So now we will open that file in terminal. We will see our file is updated or not. So for that, type command cat test.txt. As you can see, our file is updated. Now we will copy test file. Syntax: cat existing file name greater than symbol then new file name. Here command cat test.txt greater than symbol test2.txt. Now we copied test file into test2. Now we will open file test2. So for that, type command cat test2.txt. As you can see, test2 file has same data as file test. Now we will combine file test and test2. Syntax: cat file1 name file2 name greater than symbol new file name. Here type command cat test.txt test2.txt greater than symbol test3.txt. Here we created file test3. Now we will see our new file test3. For that, type command cat test3. As you can see here, we combine two files. That gone all for this video. In next video we will see wc command.